Hello guys, this is Ripun Hussain Chapel from WP Theme Hut. So today we're going to learn how you guys can duplicate your page or WordPress post. So we'll show you guys two different ways. First one is with using a duplicate page plugin and second one is by manual. So we need to install a plugin here first, that is called a duplicate page, and after that we will click on here on install now. Then we need to click on activate, and boom, we are ready to go. Now we need to access that page that we want to duplicate here. So pages here, then suppose we are wanting to duplicate this page, so we will view this page first. You can see this is a about us page, and we will duplicate this page into a new one. So what we need to do is we need to click on duplicate this, and boom, a new duplicate page has been created. Now we need to rename the page, like we want to name it as a service page here, and obviously we need to change the status of draft to published. Then click on update. Now you can view it and it will be like about us page, and now you can click in edit with Elementor and change your content easily. And another way is a manual way. On that things, you need to click on add new and give a page name here, service 2, and then I am using a page builder here that is called Elementor. Then you need to click with it here, edit with Elementor, and this about page is made with Elementor, so we need to click here edit with Elementor, and you can see some content here section by sections. So what we need to do is we need to click right button, then you can see the copy button here, then copy, then here right button, then paste it. Boom, your section has been copied here, one section. So here are another section, then just right button and paste it. Then again here right button copy, then right button paste. This is the manual way you can copy and paste your page. And after finishing your copy paste things, you need to click on publish. So boom, your new page has been made with like your previous one. So that's the manual way. So that's the way you can duplicate your WordPress page with using a plugin or by manually. Now we'll show you how you can duplicate your post. So for that we need to go here post, and here is already a post been made, and we need to click here on duplicate this. So you see it will be draft, and we need to change something here. We need to click on quick edit, then we will type something new here, and status will be changed to published, and after that we need to click on here update. So yeah, we have successfully duplicated all the stuffs here with tags and categories. This is the the perfect way. And if you don't want to do this using a plugin, you are having another way to do that. What you need to do is you need to go here, click on add new, right, then blog post title. I am setting a title here, and suppose you want to duplicate this post here. So what you need to do is you need to click here edit, and you are having a lot of content here. So what you need to do is you need to click here three dots options, then you can see here copy all blocks, yeah, all content copied, and in here you need to go here and press the right button and paste, or you can just give a shortcut Ctrl V, then it will be pasted here. So all your content has been copied and pasted in your new post. Now you need to write some post tags or categories here, then you are ready to go and publish here. So that's the perfect way you can duplicate your WordPress post or WordPress page.